Hello everyone, welcome to AlignBooks. In this video, we will learn how to generate a support ticket in AlignBooks. First, click on the Help icon. Here you need to click on Create a Support Ticket option. Mention your contact number. In the Preferred Language option, select the language in which you require support. Now in the subject, mention the issue you are facing with the software. Select the module related to your issue. In the Category section, choose the option that best reflects the urgency of your concern, such as desirable, urgent, work stopped, etc. Now select the application in which you are facing the issue. In Support Type, select the type of support you need. In Preferred Date and Time, select the date and time as per your availability. In Description box, mention your concern in detail. Now, if you have any screenshots related to your concern, you can attach them through the Select File button. Click on Submit button. Thereafter, your support ticket number will be reflected on the screen. Now to view the status of your ticket, click on Help icon. Select Create a Support Ticket option. Here, click on View Report button. Now you can view your all ticket details. In this way, you can generate a support ticket and view the report in AlignBooks. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.